Tavi, the little sea turtle, swam happily in the waves. He loved feeling the water rush over his smooth shell. One day, he saw something rolling across the sand. A big brown coconut tumbled down the beach. Where is it going? Tavi wondered, paddling closer. The coconut bounced over a rock, heading toward the tide pools. Tavi followed it, his little flippers splashing in the shallow water. The coconut rolled faster, spinning down a tiny hill. "Oh no," Tavi said, picking up speed. He slid through the soft sand, trying to catch up. The coconut plopped into a small pool of water. It bobbed gently, floating in circles. Tavi nudged it with his nose, making it spin. "This is fun," he laughed, watching it wobble. A little wave pushed the coconut further down. Tavi chased after it, determined to catch it. But suddenly, the coconut rolled over the edge. A tiny waterfall carried it into a deeper pool. Tavi hesitated, then took a deep breath and dove. He swam through the bubbly water, searching below. "There it is," he said, spotting the coconut resting nearby. Tavi carefully nudged it back to the shore. He shared it with his beach friends, feeling happy. Playing is fun, but sharing makes it even better.